Yes, before this video starts, check out kpopRC.com. Pick yourself up some slaps. We got some scale as slaps for your scale as ride. Yeah, that's right. We got a wicked one here with scale as German license plates, as well as some California license plates and a whole bunch of other stickers. Yeah, we got the missile sticker pack with duct tape and broken window clear stickers. Yeah, and then we've got all the usual logos for drift. Also, you can pick up yourself some genuine kpopRC designed intercoolers, intercoolers, super sweet. Also, you can get yourself a pair of Recaros. That's right, so visit kpopRC.com. Let's get to the video. Boom. All right, Weasel. Yes, buddy. All right, man, we're gonna go check out Mahar, the owner of Cardinal Racing. I don't know what we're gonna do. We might just like run his FG. He might have some cool stuff to show me. I'm not sure. I don't know if he's prepared. We might just be hanging out. Whatever. Might have some cool RC stuff happen though. So let's check him out. I haven't seen that dude in so long, man. He moved out to Squamish like, you know, years ago. So it's gonna be good to see him in person. Boom. All the mountains in the background. Yes, buddy.
Like that, just like
yeah, it's like that. What's up, man? How are you?
Oh, man. Nice to see you.
Yeah, nice seeing you too,
yeah,
man.
How's Squamish?
Oh, beautiful, man.
You like it?
Squamish is beautiful.
Oh, nice. What's that?
Alfa Romeo.
Alfa Romeo.
Yeah, dude, this thing is sweet. Another vintage one, right?
Yeah, this is just the old school.
Dude, you've never run this thing, eh?
It was supposed to be converted to an electric at some point, but you know how it is.
No, don't do it. It's nice here. The air is so fresh. Look at this thing.
Yeah.
I gotta get my actual camera out.
We should go back to the K-pop lab, I think.
This?
Yeah.
No, I'm not taking.
Crazy with it.
Look, it's like all aluminum. Holy
Yeah. This is like the ultimate spec in that time.
Yeah, no, I don't want this one. I don't even have room to put. You have a garage.
Yeah. This is basically where I hang out.
Here with Mahar, Cardinal Racing, man, right here. Yes.
Yeah.
Dude, you got the coolest stuff right here.
Yeah,
like, this thing is nutty.
Yeah.
I love this thing.
There's a lot more cars, but not here.
Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah.
Mahar's just got a plethora of wicked stuff. But we're going to do something cool. We're going to, like, we're going to do, like, a scale FG buggy, and then we're going to go run it, hopefully.
Yeah. It's time for us to have some fun.
And I'm hopefully it doesn't catch on fire, but we'll see what happens.
This one's a lot of fun. This one's sick. There, check this one out.
What?
Yeah.
Yeah, I gotta like get the other camera out.
You know, like Squamish style. You know what I mean?
Yeah, man.
It's a blast to drive this one.
Man, look at those tires.
I know, it's amazing.
Is that the body, or is this like a Proline?
No, this is the body. This is the FG body. Yeah, I have that one too up there.
Oh, right, I see it.
That one's sick too. This is like a Beetle little rally car.
Yeah, man. It's cool how it has the like flat fenders.
Yeah. This one you can like take it next level.
Yeah. And more
it's already
scale.
a pretty scale look, but
You can see there, it actually came with this like really sweet wheel arches kind of set up to bolt it. It doesn't really use body posts in the usual way, which is pretty sweet.
Now we gotta move this guy.
Oh, you gotta remove the bumper.
We gotta remove this.
Is it, oh, Phillips, I got it here, man. Yeah, that's so sweet, man. It looks so cool with the mud guards. The wheel arches are like on it now, which looks super cool. And then the body kind of goes down onto it, and it's gonna look super sick. You're not gonna be able to see through the body, which is like, I think the biggest problem with RC cars for scale is Shiza action. You know, if you can see through the body to the other side, it just kind of doesn't look real. So, you know, FG, man, had, you know, they knew what they were doing back in the day. How old is this freaking body?
This is one here. It's from 1989.
89. This is from 1989. Dude's like
1990, 89, 90. Yeah.
It had to be two-stroke back then, because
it was
otherwise,
the FG, it was the FG. Yeah.
you know, it had to be.
It's sick. Yeah, it's sick.
It had to be a two-stroke. Otherwise,
So this here is basically the FG Marder, but they made the Marder and then they made the Beetle. They're the same, just the Beetle had the cool looks, you know what I mean?
Sure.
So it goes on like that.
Okay, I'm gonna go to the front. Check it out.
There it is.
Oh, what?
Yeah.
Dudes, that looks so good.
Yeah.
So I don't know if Mahar's is taking me somewhere to bury me. Or,
That's right.
Or we're gonna go rip RCs. I don't know, I'm thinking we're probably going to rip RCs. And we're at the dirt bike track in Squamish, British Columbia, Canada. There might be bears. Here with Mahar, he's eating watermelon. Have some delicious, delicious watermelon. It's gonna be great. Oh. And yeah, if I put a little choke on there, it would have started. I almost shit my pants. All right, let's take some beauty shots and then we'll rip this thing. You're gonna hit it.
It's completely covered.
Oh man, I'm sweating pretty bad because I've been running around the FG with the camera on the stick, but the shots are super cool. I can feel the sand on my lip a little bit. My shoes, I'm covered in dust, but it's totally worth it. This thing is a beast. We're just trying to let it cool a little bit. I don't think it's even that hot, but yeah, man, they just really don't make them like they used to. You know, super fun being out here Squamish with Cardinal Racing.com. If you're looking for a sick-ass 5th scale RC, you know, check him out for sure. The dude definitely has the best RCs with stock, so you can buy them like right now. But yeah, so cool, man. This thing is a beast. We're gonna get way more footage because we got another 6S battery to go, right? So like, you know, this is 6,000 milliamp hour. We're still on that one. That one still hasn't died, and we're just hitting it. But man, what a rush. Jesus Christ, my lungs are pissed. We just killed one battery. That was just one battery that we freaking killed there. That was a long time. That was a long 6,000 milliamp hour. Holy crap. That was crazy. That was crazy. And we were pushing it back because like
we don't want to push it more, you know?
We don't want to dip the cells below, you know, 3.8, 3.7,
Usually I run it on parallel. So imagine the run. That's why I was telling you, like,
yeah, you'd never.
I never run out of battery when I bash.
You never.
Know? Like, I mean, I get bored before the batteries run out. Basically, that's what I'm trying to say.
Yeah. So basically, you're saying the winning combination is 12,000 milliamp hours.
Well, I don't know if that's the winning combination.
Right.
But basically.
Yeah.
If you want like long run time, a lot of guys they're running stuff in series.
Yeah.
For more power.
Yeah.
So if you want a lot of power, which is this thing is just.
You don't need more. Yeah, no, with the rear wheel drive. With rear wheel drive, you don't need like more power because like it would just become uncontrollable. You want.
Yeah, you want to have fun. You want to be able to drive it and control it, right?
Yeah, for sure.
And at the same time, have a lot of run time.
Yeah.
And that's exactly what happens. I'm
totally eating Squamish dirt right now.
Yeah, this was a heck of a. It is so dusty here.
It's so dusty. Yeah, we're gonna be dusty.
Oh yeah, look.
All good. Yeah. All right, yeah, that was a blast. It was a blast. You're with Cardinal Racing. What up? No, I mean, whatever. You guys know. You guys know. We ripped it hard. We hit some jumps. This thing's a monster. I'm just covered in dust.
Yeah.
You're covered in dust. It's time to go home, man. Take a shower and edit some video.
Great. Yeah. Can't wait to see it.
Dude, it's gonna be wicked. Can't wait.
Pretty cool.
It's gonna be one of the best videos for sure.
We went back in time for this one.
Yeah, because you know we got the mountains up in the background there, man. We're like in the Rockies and we're hitting large scale RC. I wish I could, you know, hit the drone, but we're too close to an airport, so
yeah.
You know, c'est la vie, whatever. But yeah, it's been sick. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to thumbs up the video or whatever. And if you want a big, large scale RC, you know, hit up cardinalracing.com. His website's chock full of cool stuff. You know, I'm assuming he's gonna get smaller scale as well soon. So
yes.
Stay tuned for that.
Yes.
But I'll keep you guys posted. Yeah, man, wicked. And Mahar, man, thanks for having me and like showing me all your stuff.
Man. It was
the
best.
Super cool.
Yeah, you should just move down.
And I should just move down here.
Yeah.
Quit my job and do this full time.
Yeah.
Man, maybe. I don't know.
This is the way to do it, man. Just live your life, right?
Wicked, yeah. So yeah.
Anyway.
Later, dudes.
KPOPRC, killing it.